Yo mga kano-invite, nandito kami sa garage, may change oil kaming 2015 R3. Ito yung aking mekaniko, si paring Kenneth. Yun oh. Grabe. Shoutout nga pala kay Echi. Kanyang bike to eh. Sa mga gusto magpa oil change dyan, message lang kayo. Yo, anong sukat ng kanyan? Ng bolt mo na?
It's 12 mil.
12 mm.
12 millimeter. Yes, sir.
About to.
Oh yeah, baby.
Ayos. Nilinis ko na rin yung kadena pero mamaya hugasan ko na ito na maayos. Shit, sponsor pala ito ng Yamaha. Oh.
Siyempre.
Yamaha.
Rossi House.
Yamaha for life si Kenneth.
Patanggal mo ang cap, the other side.
Yeah. Ang kulang lumabas pa. Yeah. Guys, pagka
Sabi mo na.
so every oil change, kailangan palitan yan, di ba?
Yes. Change your plug gasket. Hindi ginagawa, mahal kasi.
Magkano ba yun sa Pilipinas yung gano'n?
Expensive, I guess, for them. Even the filter. That's why it's like big. They won't change it. Tie it up. Okay.
It's 12 mil.
So 12 mil, guys. If you have a torque wrench, torque it. I got my torque wrench at home. I'll bring it next time.
Gano'n ba ka-tight yan? Usually.
I'd say about 17 or 15 foot pound. Don't have to be tight.
So,
every time you get a new filter, and make sure this O-ring is here. Sometimes it got stuck there and then you have to leak.
okay.
So what you do now, take that off. This is what I hate.
So, lalagyan mo muna ng oil.
You have a little bit of pre-lube in there, so when you start the engine, it's already some in there. Sinisira, I hope. And you always put oil here, so help it slide. Yeah. And then make sure, guys, before you start putting the new filter, make sure your cleaning surface is clean. Give it a wipe. There we go. It's good. Throw it in there. And this should be hand tight only. Some people put it extra tight, it's hard to get rid of.
Nice.
You have a tool. That's it. And tools from reverse.
Gano'n ka-tight naman yan?
Just hand tight.
Just hand
That's
tight.
good right there. Has a O-ring so you don't pinch a O-ring. Now guys, every time you pinch that, make sure you don't leave nothing behind. So everything is together and tight. You don't want to. Okay, so everything's tight.
All good, bro?
Yeah, just give it a wipe, you know, make sure everything is dry so when you start it, you know, you have nothing leaking.
Nice, nice.
Now,
So how many liters?
I don't know, I don't have a big gauge on this bike, I don't know how much this one takes. Guys, this bike consumes about 2.4 liter of oil. So, and also this one has a glass gauge, so you can always look. Almost 2.5. There's another liter here.
Hello? Nasaan yung tatay? Sakain. Right here.
Guys, so you will see the oil over here.
Just go on.
So 2.4 liters. So this one
This
is 1 liter.
It's about 2.5.
Yeah.
I want the 0.4, 4.5.
Kasi bababa pa naman to pagka kon, di ba?
After this, we're gonna run the engine.
We're gonna run the
and
engine.
let it circulate. You will know if you need more or not.
Okay. So we're gonna run the bike, make sure. Fresh oil na. Yun o.
Test drive na po kung good na to go. Go master. And please ride the helmet.